Alright guys, so we're going to do, the next one we're going to do is OpenVPN. So this is going to set up a VPN server. So we're just going to launch another VM and it's going to be Ubuntu. So I'm just going to call the OpenVPN. We'll use our Ubuntu ISO that we already have. Default 32 should be fine. Let's just do 6 again. Local host or just host. Again, these are all, we can change these later if we have to. But start after created. We'll just launch that. And I'm going to be following this guide here, this how to set up a VPN server in 5 minutes on Ubuntu. I think this is the one I've used in the past and it's worked fine for me, so I'm just going to use this one. So let's go to OpenVPN. Remember, we have to install the operating system again, so we're going to go through the install process, just like we did for Plex. And you know, in all reality, this could probably be running on the same server as the Plex server, but I can make a bunch of VMs on this server, so just to keep things cleaner, I'm putting them on separate VMs just because I have the ability to. I'm just experimenting here. So click through all this. Wait, what did that say? Yeah, done. Yep. Open VPN. I do want to install the SSH server. Don't want to install any of this stuff. Alright, so it's just installing. I'm going to pause it here and let it do its thing. Alright, so it finished and I'm just going to reboot it now. And then, yeah, I'm going to remove this. Yeah, so we're just going to reboot it and then install OpenVPN. So if we go to the console, alright, just going to give it a few seconds because last time when I was setting up the Plex one, I was a little impatient. Alright, so, oh no. Almost there. Let's try it now. Alright, cool, that worked. So we're in. Now we're going to go back to this guide. And the first thing they wanted us to do is get our public IP address. So let's try running this command here. That's a thing with, you can't paste into here. Doesn't seem to work. What did I do wrong here? I wonder if I have to do... No. Alright. I'm going to stop the video here for a second.